Who built Mahabalipuram? Mahabalipuram is the ancient seaport of the famous Pallava kingdom. According to the inscription, the monument of Mahabalipuram was constructed by Pallava kings Mahendravarman I, 600 to 630 Anno Domini. His son Narasimhavarman I, 630 to 668 Anno Domini, and their descendants. Thus, we can say Mahabalipuram was built by Pallava kings. Option B is the right answer. Bimbisara was the king of which dynasty? Bimbisara ruled 544 to 491 before Common Era, was the king of the Magadha Empire and belonged to Haryanka dynasty, which ruled until approximately 326 before current era. When Alexander the Great invaded India, he ruled an area of what is now Bihar in Bengal with his capital at modern day Rajgir. So we can say Bimbisara was the king of Haryanka dynasty. Option A is the right answer. Third question, Ajanta caves in Maharashtra have rock-cut cave monuments of which religion? The Ajanta caves are a series of 29 Buddhist cave temples in Ajanta, India, some of which date from the 2nd century before Christ, encompassing both Theravada and Mahayana Buddhist traditions. The Ajanta caves preserve some of the best masterpieces of Buddhist art in India. So, option B is the right answer. Ajanta caves in Maharashtra have a rock-cut cave monument of Buddhism religion. Fourth question, whose reign in Indian history is called the Golden Age of India? The Gupta Empire stretched across northern, central and parts of southern India between 320 and 550 Common Era. The time of the Gupta Empire is referred to as Golden Age of India in science, mathematics, astronomy, religion and philosophy. So we can say option C is the right answer. Gupta Empire is called the Golden Age of India. Fifth question, the Buddha has been eulogized as an ocean of wisdom and compassion in Amar Kosha. The Amar Kosha is a treasures of Sanskrit written by Amarsimha. So, option C is the right answer, Amar Kosha. The Buddha has been eulogized as an ocean of wisdom and compassion in Amar Kosha. Sixth question, three Pitakas are related to. The three Pitakas are sacred book of Buddhist. Three Pitaka or three basket is a traditional term used for various Buddhist scriptures. It is known as Pali Canon in English. So option A is the right answer. Three Pitakas are related to Buddhism. Seventh question, the Digambaras and Shwetambaras differ primarily with regard to their. Literally, the monks of the Digambaras are naked while those of the Shwetambaras wear white clothes. Female monk of the Digambara were unstitched plain white saris and are called Ariyakas. So we can say the Digambaras and Shwetambaras differ primarily with regard to their dress. Option C is the right answer. When did the first Huna invention takes place? First Huna invention takes place in 458 Anno Domini. The Hunas under the leadership of Toramana had defeated by the Gupta Emperor Skandagupta. So option B is the right answer. During 458, the first Huna invention takes place. Ninth question, Chandragupta 322-298 before Christ was the ruler of which dynasty? Chandragupta Maurya reigned during 322 to 298 before Common Era, was the founder of Maurya Empire in ancient India. Hence we can say option A is the right answer. Chandragupta Maurya was the ruler of Maurya dynasty. Ninth question, Ajatashatru was the son of. Ajatashatru was a king of the Haryanka dynasty of Magadha in North India. He was the son of Bimbisara and was a contemporary of both Mahavira and Gautam Buddha. Thus, we can say option C is the right answer. Ajatashatru was the son of Bimbisara.